All right, this concept, we have this concept. I want to explain this concept. It's a very important concept which you are going to use in many different topics. We want to factorize here, but we cannot factor out these two brackets because they are different. How do we change this? There is a way of changing it. X bracket x minus 2 plus 6, and then factor out -1 from this bracket. When you factor out -1 from this bracket, they change sign, right? -1 times -2, it's +2. -1 plus times a positive x, it's -x. So it will just go back to the original bracket, and then the -1 that we have taken out from the bracket, we give it to this 6 and it becomes -6. So this x is positive. You can write it as +x minus 2, and then we have here x minus 2 with your x, and then we have the same brackets now. So we can now factor out x minus 2, and then from here we are left with an x, from here we are left with a -6. We have factorized this one, but it was not possible originally because the two brackets were different. We had to change something here. How did we do that? We factored out -1. After factoring out -1, the -x becomes positive, the +2 becomes negative. So we now have the same bracket, and then we can now factorize. We usually call this the sign change rule.